In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude in projects so you can organize your work, upload reference files, and keep every conversation focused on one topic. This is a really useful feature if you want Claude to remember your instructions, use your documents as context, and help you work faster without repeating yourself every time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to Claude using your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Project. Projects. This is where Claude lets you create dedicated workspaces for different tasks, clients, brands, or topics. After that, click New Project. A setup box will appear, and this is where you'll give your project a name and a description. Try to name it clearly so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to make multiple projects. For example, you could name it something like Marketing Blog Assistant, YouTube Script Planner, or Client Research Hub. Then add a short description that explains what the project is for. Once you've filled that out, click Create Project to finish setting it up. Now that your project is created, the next important step is adding your reference material. Inside the project, find the context section and click the plus icon to upload your files. You can add documents, PDFs, code files, or other reference materials that Claude should use when responding. This is one of the biggest benefits of projects because it allows Claude to work with the exact information you want it to use. So if you have brand guidelines, research notes, a product brief, an article draft, or code documentation, you can upload those directly into the project. After uploading your files, the next step is to add project instructions. This is where you tell Claude how to behave inside that project. For example, you could write instructions like always write in a professional tone, generate SEO-friendly blog posts, keep answers short and clear, or use bullet points when helpful. These instructions help guide every response Claude gives inside that project so you get more consistent results without having to repeat yourself in every chat. Once your files and instructions are in place, you're ready to begin using the project. Start a new chat inside the project, and Claude will automatically use the uploaded files and the project instructions for every conversation within that workspace. That means you can ask follow-up questions, request summaries, generate content, or analyze documents, and Claude will stay aligned with the context you already set up. This is especially helpful for long-term projects, team workflows, content creation, and research because everything stays organized in one place. You can come back later, continue the same project, and Claude will still have access to the materials and guidance you added. So that's the full process for using Claude in projects. Sign in, create a new project, add your files, set your instructions, and then start chatting. Once you get used to it, this feature can save you a lot of time and make Claude much more powerful for repeatable work. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.